How to use TikTok after ban. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use TikTok after ban. Now if TikTok has been banned in your region or you're not being able to use TikTok, and if you open up TikTok it says no internet connection or no connection error, then here is how you can fix it. First, you can go ahead and you can search in for VPN on your Play Store or App Store, and you can download any one VPN. I'll suggest you the secure VPN here. You wanna open it up and you wanna tap on accept here, and then go ahead and connect to VPN and set up a network connection here. Now you can see it's finding best server. I'll just connect to it real quick here. Cross this ad and simply tap on connect and tap on OK, and you can see it's connected. Now once you do so, you can go ahead and you can open TikTok and you can stream TikTok easily like before. So you can see if I open up, it will just load up. So this way you can use TikTok after ban. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.